Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.05. Let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 7.67%. This results in an average return of 0.22% per day since it was marked as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a slight upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential growth. The current 3-month trend forecasts a possible change of approximately 9.31% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 5.39% to 11.91%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of about 23.58% over the next year, with potential returns of between 10.68% and 26.07%. This would suggest a price range between $586.56 to $668.12 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up 1.36% on Tuesday. The QQQ ETF price gained 1.36% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024. It rose from $522.87 to $529.96. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.12%, with a low of $524.19 and a high of $530.04. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.8% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 12 million shares, with a total of 17 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $9 billion and $30 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $395.35. Currently, the price is 1.7% or $9.19 below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. In recent developments surrounding the NASDAQ 100 ETF, QQQ, technology stocks continue to demonstrate robust performance, marking a 27.7% increase year-to-date as 2024 approaches its end. This consistent strength is likely to bolster investor confidence in QQQ, potentially driving up its stock price in the short term. The recent discussions surrounding various ETFs, including the iShares NASDAQ Top 30 Stocks ETF, highlight the growing interest in diversified investment strategies, appealing to investors seeking to mitigate risks associated with the tech sector's volatility. Additionally, insights into free cash flow ETFs suggest that pairing them with QQQ could enhance risk-adjusted returns, reinforcing QQQ's role as a key growth asset within diversified portfolios. However, analysts express caution about potential market fluctuations in early 2025, hinting at the impact of seasonal trends on QQQ's performance. As AI stocks have led the market this year, any shifts in technology spending could introduce additional uncertainty. Overall, while QQQ is well-positioned for continued growth thanks to tech sector strength, investors should remain vigilant about potential volatility and market dynamics as we transition into the new year. This balanced view will ensure that both short-term gains and long-term strategies are on the radar for QQQ stakeholders. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, December 16th, 2024, and so far, it has fallen by 1.53%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the fund. Moreover, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $525.16 and $515.08. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 36 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe Short Moving Average, a buy signal from 3 days ago. The Long-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 75 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQ finds support from accumulated volume at $518.66. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered very low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $5.85 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 1.12%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future performance, or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, thus presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for QQQ is at 530.53. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at 518.66. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $509.57, reflecting a decline of 3.85%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal stemming from a pivot peak that occurred 6 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, December 26th, we anticipate QQQ to open down $1.90 and start trading at $528.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.